on, guys? We're out here in St. Clairsville, Ohio, with Mr. Brinker. We're just enjoying the view of this beautiful array that we got here. We can go ahead and check that out for a second if you have the means. Look at that. Can you see that? It's pretty good. Get those thumbs in there. That's what I'm talking about. And get over there. All right, so Mr. Brinker, we just have a few questions. I just want to know if you enjoyed the install, if you would refer this place, if you just all out enjoy the experience that you had here, and if you would have us again if you had another house that you wanted to put a solar panel up on.
Yeah, everything went really well. I was very pleased with the process of the work. It was quick, it was done efficiently, and it looks great. Everything I could ask for.
Now we're going to go look at this beautiful array and ask about this EMT that's been set up so nicely. If you don't say so, it's the cameraman that did it. He loves it.
Yeah, I did a good job.